All right, what's up, guys? So we're back, Sad Boy Garage. Yeah, it's like 2-ish in the afternoon right now. I didn't get anything done today or yesterday because of the fact that it's been raining. But we got like a few minutes of light right now, and I'm really trying to put the red S2000 back on the floor. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and try to put the ball joint back down on that car, because if you guys remember, we had Nick's car here for a little bit and his ball joint basically broke because we were trying to put it back in. So we basically used my car as a parts car, got him back going, and now I can finally put my car back together because I finally had it pressed in. Alright, we're back, we're on our way. God damn, I got so much 240 crap sitting around. I really gotta dump a lot of this stuff. Oh, what the hell? So peep this. This is the cover for the spare tire. Ooh. Yeah, I should stop leaving my S2000 parts and stuff outside like that, but nonetheless, let's get going. Got your 2JZ mic over there. So bam, we're set. I do need to get a C-clamp, press down this upper ball joint. That way I can actually tighten it down here. The lower is now back in. This was all busted originally. So we got this one. Shout out to Blade. They're the only people who had this in stock. So we got this through Blade Motorsports. And then this one right in there. So but yeah, I'm gonna go get a C-clamp, press this down all the way while I tighten it, and then yeah, we should be all set. Cool. I'll catch up with you guys in a sec. Alright guys, so I figured I'd share this part with you guys because I'm almost done right now, but what I've been having a pain with besides the rain and all this pretty much like just weather was the ball joint. I couldn't get it to go up without the post spinning, right? So I've engineered something. Keep this in mind. This is the jack you use from your spare tire. Use this, have my regular jack at the bottom, and I actually got it enough to where I can actually make this spin finally. And I've been struggling with this for like 2 days already. But yeah, this is actually gonna work, and I'll show you guys how real quick. Yeah, this would be a lot easier if I had a pep driver. And we don't do anything by spec here, so we're just gonna go ahead and just tighten that one more. Bam. Alright guys, and lo and behold, you guys can see right here. Oh, shoot. Let me just go ahead and back out of this. Bam, it's up. I can go ahead and show you guys that it is actually through at the bottom now, and I can just stick a cotter pin in there and call it good. So this was the trick. You basically jam it up against your wheel well, slam it on top of the ball joint so it's not going to spin or move up here, and then just jack it up. I used that little center part of the arm down there. But yeah, that's basically it. So you have pressure from the top and the bottom. I did not figure this out. There was a dude who was who had a tutorial. I found his page like somewhere at the very bottom. I'll link it in the bio because big help, big shout outs to him. But yeah, this is the way you can do your ball joints. These are SPC ball joints. You can do these without having to, you know, have that bolt.
I've been through hell and back. She takes me to heaven's clouds. I love to smell it. That downstairs, girl, shut your mouth. We both sad as fuck, but no one knows. My rose and petals are wilting, dying slow. At least I tried it out. Heads in circles, I'm so expelled. At least I'm by myself. Can't wait until you feel what I felt.